Ukraine is preparing to launch counteroffensives on several axes at once, Secretary of the National Security and Defense Council, Alexei Danilov, said in an interview with Ukrainian state-owned Ukrainian radio on July 20. According to him, President Volodymyr Zelensky has ordered to liberate all of our Ukraine from Russian evil, and it is up to the military to decide how. This issue is raised at the behest of the Supreme Commander-in-Chief, the President of our country, Danilov stated. And to say that it is only Kherson Oblast that everyone is talking about now is not entirely true. The president is responsible for all of Ukraine. At the same time, he noted that the terms and sequence of tasks have not yet been disclosed. This news comes as a kind of surprise because the public has long been expecting a long-prepared offensive on the Kherson region, and Russia is already massing troops there and establishing defensive positions. According to the current course of the war, Russia and Ukraine have entered an exhausting phase in the conflict, and neither side shows that it has the capacity to overcome the opponent. Russia has concentrated its forces on the Donbas, but even with all its firepower there, the Russian advance is slow and limited, while in other parts of Ukraine the Russians do not have enough strength for offensive operations. Ukraine is probably encouraged by the success of the American HIMARS systems, which managed to stop the Russian offensive and inflict huge losses on the Russian forces, primarily by destroying the warehouses of weapons, ammunition and fuel, which completely stopped the Russian machinery. If Ukraine managed to achieve that with only 4 HIMARS systems, the question is what kind of offensive capabilities will Kyiv have when it gets over 20 HIMARS, and that will be a really nasty surprise for the Russians. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.